Well, folks, this is Steve A. for you. We're going to go sneak around and see if we can find out where they're working today. A little bit earlier, I saw them moving a big digger from right to left. So they must be doing something more toward the traffic light in the other direction, because when I look down that way, I can't see the big digger in the road. But it was moving along the road. There we go. And I need the... Oh my goodness, they're right here. They're here again. And it has to do with those... It has to do with those pipes that they didn't expect to find or didn't know what to do with. Oh my goodness. So let's see where the tent is down here. The tent shields them with a trench box, and that's where they're still working. They're doing something there. They got a fire hydrant there. That's where they're doing something. There's all their stuff parked there. So they're still in my area almost. And I'm going to pull into Kingdom Hall. To thank you, let me use your parking lot to turn around. Jehovah's Witnesses. Nice people, very nice people. Got a little bit of traffic. Nothing coming the other way. We're good. And I'm going to get over this way for a reason. There they are to the left, doing something with those big water tanks, which means they're washing something out. Now, I'm going to turn right. And there's nobody behind me, nobody coming. And to get a better view again of what they're doing with the small digger, here we go. Nobody behind me. You see what they're doing there? And they're working on those two, some kind of pipes that I think are fire hydrant connections for fire engines. So it's not over, it's not finished. They covered it up and then they have to come back and do some more. So that meant they had to plan the engineering in order to know what to do. Alright, I'm going home. Look left, look left, look left. Yep. So they haven't finished with my corner, my crossroad. They're still working on it. Steve A. for you, just being nosy about the water pipeline and fixing the leaks. Saying see you in 73.